Garrett Farr here with ViewRenew Window and Gutter Cleaning. Actually taking you on job today for house washing. Look at the house back here. We can see that it has a nice white color, but also has a lot of algae growing on its side. Usually what homeowners might hire is a professional who will use high pressure to clean their siding. What we're going to use today is actually called soft washing, using low pressure, as I like to call it, almost no pressure washing. It's so soft, I'll actually take my glove off and I'll show you that what I'll be spraying and cleaning the house with is safe enough for my hand and won't damage my hand. So just like that, I can spray it on my hand, I'll come over here and spray it on the house. You can see that it was soft on there, on the lower section, and I can switch a tip to reach up to 3 stories without even using a ladder. And still safe, no pressure way to clean the house. Sit and let that dwell for about 15 minutes. Then come back with a low pressure rinse just to get everything, all the last bits of dirt and any leftover algae off. But also just give the windows in the house one last rinse. So check back in a few minutes. You can see the detergent is not only safe for human interaction, but also for plants. They'll not be affected. Just finishing up here. It's at the end of the day, so it might be a little dark if you can see it. But yeah, so just rinse the whole house, and it's going to make sure that there's no more green, nothing. All the algae has been gone and rinsed away. And over there, you can see that the peak is white again. That side actually has a little bit of dry rot. It's cracked, but again, this is a perfect situation for a house like this. It's older, paint, and also the siding is a little weak, so using low pressure for house washing is a great solution to prevent any mold or algae from developing behind the shingles, and also saves the paint. Always all around a good idea. So thank you again, Garrett Farr, ViewRenew, signing off. Hi there, Garrett Farr with ViewRenew.